Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project in which we'll calculate overtime, how much overtime money can people get and like percentage. So okay, first of all, let's write hour, create a new variable hour, like how many hours does the person work, equals input, the bracket string, enter hours, colon and brackets. Then rate equals input enter rate brackets, and then we like to create a new variable hour, like change the inside of it, equals float, like decimal number, we learned it, hour, we make the decimal number, rate equals brackets, no, float in the brackets, right, rate. Then if hour equals, if hour is less than 40 and colon, then we have to pay equals round, we have to also round hour multiply rate to close brackets, or else overtime equals hour minus 40 pay, how much we pay, equals round, we have to round it, 40 multiply rate plus overtime multiply rate multiply 1.52, then we print f pay colon, open up this brackets and write pay, close, string and close. So now let's run it. 3 hours 20, for example, rate 15, pay 300, yes, it's very good, 20 and 20, 400. So okay guys, this was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.